Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I am going to show you how to share a YouTube link on your Instagram story. So, let's dive right in. First, open the YouTube app and find the video you want to share. For example, I want to share this video, so click on the three dots. In the menu, click on the share button and then click on the copy link. This will copy the YouTube video link to your clipboard. Now let's head over to the Instagram app. Once you are in, click on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen, and then click on the story. You can either take a picture or upload one. In my case, I'm going to take a picture and create a solid color background by clicking on the three dots and then click on the draw option. Now I'll pick a color, press and hold to fill the screen, and click Done. To add a YouTube link, click on the sticker icon. Search link in the search bar. It's the link sticker. Click on it. Now, paste the YouTube video link we copied earlier and hit Done. Now you can change its position and change style by clicking on it. Now you can share your story. And that's it. You have successfully shared YouTube link on Instagram story. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like and subscribe button for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.